guys, today we are in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, and Bobby and I are always walking up this strip. And we always see this place called the Chicken Hut back there. We have never gone in there, and we do like chicken tenders or chicken fingers, whatever you want to call it. It says they have some hot wings, so let's just go back there and try both of them. So are you ready, Bobby?
I'm ready.
Let's rock and roll.
Let's rock and roll.
To find Chicken Hut, pretty easy. It's right in the Reuben Tennis Mall. On top of the hills, miniature golf. Bobby and I have never gone up there and played that. Looks like a lot of fun though. Right across the street from the chicken guy, basically. And all kind of shops. You just can't miss it, guys. Next to the Tennessee Stud Cider Company. All right, guys, looks like they have some whole chickens in there. Got a special going on today. Some shrimp, some chicken breast, a few wings in there, frozen ice. I'll show you where you can sit inside. There's the table that Bobby's sitting at. And you can also go along this back wall. There's some chairs, got a little TV there, and a table up front. But we recommend sitting outside if it's warm enough. All right, guys, I'm with Bob here at the Chicken Hut. He's going to tell us a little bit about this place.
Well, guys, this is one of Gatlinburg's hidden gems. We do everything in-house fresh. It is amazing. We got the best cheeseburgers in town. We make our Reuben sandwiches with pastrami instead of corned beef. Our Philly cheesesteak is made with chunks of real ribeye instead of the shaved stuff. Peppers, onions, mushrooms smothered in cheese. We got hand-breaded chicken tenders. It is amazing. Our hot dogs are all beef Nathan's. No one leaves here disappointed. It is amazing.
And what's your #1 seller here if you were coming in here for the first time? What would you recommend someone to get?
Can't go wrong with our chicken tenders. They are they're hand breaded. We do them fresh every day. And really all of our sandwiches are just off the charts. So anything you choose, you will be satisfied with.
Appreciate that, Bob.
Appreciate you folks.
Hopefully you can see this without the glare, but let's get started. There's their baskets. Chicken, shrimp, and fish. The 2-piece tenders with fries are $9.99. Chicken wings, you can either get a 6-piece for $11.99 or 12-piece for $15.99. A couple choices of drinks, and there are all your sides. A lot of choices there. They even have funnel fries. Now, if you want to make your meal a combo and add fries and drinks, a small is $4, large $6. 3 choices of dogs with a corn dog, a hot dog, and a foot-long hot dog for $10.99. A lot of different choices on the sandwiches. Bob says the cheeseburger is the best in town. It's $9.99. There's your Philly for $10.99. They have fried bologna, ham and cheese. They have a Reuben for $9.99. Toppings, if you want to put chili on that dog, it's an extra 90 cents. And they also carry some nachos. You can get a Supreme or put pulled pork on it. Have Dole Whips for $4.99 and a kids menu. Family deals featuring chicken and shrimp. Well, guys, by looks, the stuff looks amazing. We mixed it up. We have 2 buffalo, some chicken tenders, 4 hot barbecue, and they make the sauce here. And we have 6 regular barbecue, even threw in some celery, fresh cut fries. They hooked us up with some honey mustard and ranch, but this sauce is all homemade. That is on these wings. How's it look, Bobby?
It smells really good, but I'm gonna tell you right now, these ones are mine. I'm not doing the hot ones.
All right, but they didn't skimp on the sauce. Let's get started.
And what I like about these are hand-cut fries. See that?
Yeah, Nice. And he hooked you up with some Ken's blue cheese dressing.
Yeah.
You
But
like
I'm just going
Ken's.
to try it without the blue cheese first. Those are very good. Nice and warm. Got a little bit of salt on, seasoned just right. But we always like the hand-cut fries. They're the best.
And I can smell these sauces on these wings. I can really smell these wings. Maybe I'm smelling those with those red peppers in there.
All right. Going in with the flats. It's a nice size. And then you got your drumsticks. I think that's what they call those. So there's the white meat inside of there. They did these up pretty nice. I like the sauce that they make. It's kind of a sweet flavor.
And they gave you some celery. All right, guys, I'm gonna get into these. Oh, forgot, Bobby, you need to try one of these chicken tenders.
Now they told us they hand batter these every day. Got a nice coating on there. We'll do the
Nice,
honey
fresh
mustard.
chicken.
Those also are very good. I like the batter that they put on them. It's not overly coated. Look in there. I really like this honey mustard. And it's just in a container,
that's
but it's
great.
good.
I'm going after the homemade hot barbecue. The wings look nice and crispy. Look at all that, guys. That's going to be amazing. I've already tried a little bit of it, so I kind of know what it tastes like. This is a very good hot barbecue sauce. Has that afterburn to it. Be too hot for Bobby to eat. Again, the chicken's prepared well, a little crispy on the outside. I really like this. I wanted to try this first to see how hot it was inside. When I first bit into it, didn't get that hot heat to it, but after a while, I don't know if it's getting a little bit of that extra heat from that crushed red pepper in there, but whatever's doing it, it's very good. Now I'm gonna try the buffalo, and they slathered it all up. Again, you see they're very crispy. This buffalo flavor tastes excellent, because a lot of times when Bobby and I get mild wings, because she can't handle the spice, you can't even tell they put any sauce on there. This has a nice buttery flavor. I'm gonna have Bobby try that one, see if she can eat it. But again, wings prepared well. I'm gonna try one of these chicken tenders. I'm not gonna use any sauce on this one. Guys, I like the flavor of the batter on here. You can tell that's fresh chicken. I don't know what I like the best out of everything, but so far I'm going with the hot barbecue. I haven't tried Bobby's mild, but I know it's the same barbecue sauce, but buffalo is very good. Let's just try fry. Nothing better than hand-cut French fries. By the way, let's try some celery and some ranch. Can't have wings without celery and ranch.
So I'm going to check out how hot this mild is. John says I can eat it.
I think you're gonna like it.
So it does have a nice buttery flavor, just like you said. I like this one. I just get a little bit of spice, nothing really bad, but my favorite would be the barbecue.
But you could eat that.
I could eat this one.
Guys, the more I eat this hot barbecue sauce, the more I like it. That's a hearty barbecue sauce, nice and thick. I mean, look at all that in there. Very good. And homemade, you can't go wrong with that. Well, we just got back to our room after eating at Chicken Hut. What did you think about it, Bobby?
First, I want to give a shout out to Bob. Thanks for telling us a little bit about your menu. We need to go back and have some of those sandwiches you were telling us about. Now, we ordered 6 wings for me and 6 for John. I got the barbecue, which had a nice sweet flavor sauce to them. I think they were a nice size wings. Now, I tried John's hot barbecue. It had such a good flavor to it, but it's too spicy for me. But one thing, I wish I would have picked up more napkins, because they loaded the sauce on those.
They did.
Now the fries were hand cut, they were very good, but my favorite thing would have been those chicken tenders. They bread those every day, so the chicken is fresh. And I loved that honey mustard sauce that came with it. Now they didn't make that, but it was very good.
I told Bobby after we left there that this is a place we should have gone into before this. I enjoyed my visit in there. Now I know inside there's not a lot of places to sit down. There's a couple tables and you can sit along that one area I showed you. But if you're there and it's warm, sit outside. There's plenty of picnic tables outside. The wings were very crispy. Now I love the hot barbecue sauce. It tasted like what Bobby said, nice and sweet, but had a bite to it, and a pretty good bite to it. Like the buffalo ones. The chicken tenders were also very good, but I like the wings better. But still, they're famous for their chicken tenders, and they are worth going in there and getting. So I had a great experience in there. Our wings were $19.99 for 12 wings, fries, and a drink. That's a pretty good deal in Gatlinburg. That's a pretty good deal anywhere the way wings cost anymore. So I would go back there.
I think you really like those wings because they made all those sauces in-house.
Yeah, and they told me about that. They told me you have to try their sauces. We made sure we got the ones that they make. They were all three very good. I don't know what other ones they make. My favorite though was the hot barbecue. If I went back in there and you got chicken tenders, I would get some of that to dip them in.
So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Yeah, so until we meet again, J&B have left the building.